Hi guys, today I will discuss a very informative application about the skeleton system. It is completely free and it is very informative and you can learn a lot about the skeleton system. So let's have a review. The name of this application is My Skeleton 3D. Just click on it. So this is the main page of this application. Here you can see lot of things, so let's discuss one by one. So firstly discuss the view. So view mean this application provides the skeleton system in the three different views. So select first one, a complete skeleton. So at the right corner there is a question mark. When you press this you can find the help, how you can operate this application, how you can zoom in, zoom out, rotate, quick menu, refresh menu, it is and other things. So you can rotate this skeleton, zoom in, zoom out. If you want to out this bone, so just click on the bone, and at the right upper corner there is a button, hide other. So it's mean all other bones will be hide, so click on it. We have only one bone, so what is the name of this bone? Just see at the bottom, this is called scapula. And if you want the description what is the scapula, just click on the upper arrow button. So it provides the complete description of this bone. And if you want to listen, just click on speaker.
The scapular shoulder blade or wing bone is the bone that connects the humerus with the clavicle.
Now you can rotate it. Okay, so this is the one feature. So let's go to the other. So at your right side there is an arrow, just click on it and the layers are comes. Layers, it means all the layers are selected and you can watch the each and every bone. So I just want to know about vertebra, so I will deselect the all bones. So here is only the vertebra. So, and if I wanted to know the particular this one, just click on it. A single picture appear on the upper bottom. So here is the complete picture. What is this? Just click on the desired bone. So this is a superior articular fact, this is white matter, this is subdural space, and what is this? Arachnoid. So come back. So there is another button. So here is a search bar. Search bar means there is a complete list of the human bones. If you want to check anyone, for example radius, where is the radius? This is a radius. To watch only this bone, so just click on hide other. So here is your desired bone. And if you want to label, just click on pen. So now you can label it. You can make a quiz like this, and the faces. Okay, you can share, clear screen and exit. And if you want to see this bone in the rotatory motion, just click on this button. So guys, I find this application is very informative and very good, so you can use it. Allah Hafiz.